Hello beautiful people. Have you heard of kombucha, the beverage the ancient Chinese called the immortal health elixir? It's been around for more than 2,000 years and has a rich anecdotal history of health benefits like preventing and fighting cancer, arthritis, and other degenerative diseases. Made from sweetened tea that's been fermented by a symbiotic colony of bacteria and yeast, a SCOBY, aka mother, because of its ability to reproduce, or mushroom, because of its appearance, kombucha didn't gain prominence in the West until recently. In the first half of the 20th century, extensive scientific research was done on kombucha's health benefits in Russia and Germany, mostly because of a push to find a cure for rising cancer rates. Russian scientists discovered that entire regions of their vast country were seemingly immune to cancer and hypothesized that the kombucha, called tea kvass there, was the cause. So, they began a series of experiments which not only verified the hypothesis, but began to pinpoint exactly what it is within kombucha which was so beneficial. German scientists picked up on this research and continued it in their own direction. Then, with the onset of the Cold War, research and development started being diverted into other fields. It was only in the 1990s, when kombucha first came to the US, that the West has done any studies on the effects of kombucha, and those are quite few in number. As is typically the case in the US, no major medical studies are being done on kombucha because no one in the drug industry stands to profit from researching a beverage that the average consumer can make for as little as 50 cents a gallon. Thanks to its rising commercial popularity in the last decade, the older Russian and German research has been made available in English to Westerners, and a few widespread anecdotal surveys have been sponsored by kombucha manufacturers, but that's about it. While there are limited amounts of research done on the beverage, there has been lots of research done on many of the nutrients and acids it contains in large quantities, such as B vitamins, antioxidants, and glucaric acids. Regardless of the lack of scientific evidence, the fact remains that this beverage has 2,000+ years of tradition behind it and an ardent and addicted following. What are the health benefits of kombucha tea? Kombucha health benefit number 1, detoxification. Detoxification produces healthy livers and aids cancer prevention. One of kombucha's greatest health benefits is its ability to detox the body. It is rich in many of the enzymes and bacterial acids your body produces and/or uses to detox your system, thus reducing your pancreatic load and easing the burden on your liver. Kombucha is very high in glucaric acid, and recent studies have shown that glucaric acid helps prevent cancer. I know 2 people in my immediate circle of friends who have had cancer, pancreatic and breast, and fought it into remission without any chemo or radiation therapy. Instead, they warded it off by detoxing their lives, going 100% organic, removing chemical cleaners and agents in their home, changing their diet to be at least 80% raw or fermented. Central to the detoxification process was drinking kombucha regularly. Even Alexander Solzhenitsyn, the recently deceased Russian author and Nobel Prize winner, in his autobiography, claimed that kombucha tea cured his stomach cancer during his internment in Soviet labor camps. And because of this testimony, President Reagan used kombucha to halt the spread of his cancer in 1987. You'll note he didn't die until 2004, and that was from old age, not cancer. Kombucha health benefit number 2, joint care. Kombucha contains glucosamines, a strong preventive and treatment all forms of arthritis. Glucosamines increase synovial hyaluronic acid production. Hyaluronic acid functions physiologically to aid preservation of cartilage structure and prevent arthritic pain, with relief comparable to NSAIDs and advantage over glucocorticoids. Hyaluronic acid enables connective tissue to bind moisture thousands of times its weight and maintains tissue structure, moisture, lubrication and flexibility and lessens free radical damage, while associated collagen retards and reduces wrinkles. Kombucha health benefit number 3, aids digestion and gut health. Because it's naturally fermented with a living colony of bacteria and yeast, kombucha is a probiotic beverage. This has a myriad of benefits such as improved digestion, fighting candida, harmful yeast, overgrowth, mental clarity, and mood stability. As such, it's noted for reducing or eliminating the symptoms of fibromyalgia, depression, anxiety, etc. Kombucha health benefit number 4, immune boosting. Kombucha is extraordinarily antioxidant-rich, and you all know the benefits of antioxidants for boosting your immune system and energy levels. Are the health benefits of kombucha for real? When I first read about the panacea of benefits, I was skeptical. How could one beverage do so many things? But then I realized that it's not so much that the beverage does something to our bodies, like a medicine targeted at curing specific symptoms. It's more that this beverage promotes health. It gives your body what it needs to heal itself by 1. Aiding your liver in removing harmful substances. 2. Promoting balance in your digestive system. And 3. Being rich in health-promoting vitamins, enzymes, and acids. The general consensus seems to be that with regular, daily consumption, you'll notice an improvement in immune system functioning and energy levels within about a week, the healing of more minor ailments within a month or so, and the healing of more radical illnesses within a year or so. Where can I get kombucha? You can usually find a bottle of kombucha at your local health food store or online store like Amazon. Check the first link in the video description. Thanks for watching today's video. If you find this video helpful, give me a big thumbs up. Please, don't forget to comment and subscribe for more videos. Bye and see you in the next video.